Thursday, so that means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension.
And if you're looking for a quick way to spruce up your salads this summer, then Lynn has a refreshing recipe for you. Let's check it out.
I'm going to show you a tasty and nutritious salad today, and I really like this salad because it's going to give us a whole bunch of really fresh summer flavors, and on top of that it's going to give us some anti-inflammatory action. What we have here is we have some spinach. I've added in some arugula because I really like that sharp peppery taste. You could just use spinach if you don't. And we're going to make a homemade dressing, and we've got blueberries, toasted pecans, and feta. So the first thing we'll do is make our vinaigrette here. And so I'm going to make vinaigrette with a white balsamic vinaigrette. So I put 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil that I'm using today, and I've got 2 tablespoons, I'm kind of eyeballing it, but I'm using about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Our next ingredient I'm going to add in here is I have just a little bit of Dijon mustard, and then we're just going to take our whisk This would be a great great time to add in some of those fresh herbs if you have fresh herbs growing in your garden. A little bit of chopped up basil, tarragon, oregano, parsley, whatever, chives even, whatever you have outside growing. If you've been growing some herbs, great time to throw maybe a teaspoon or 2 in here just to give this a little bit of extra flavor. And then we're just going to make our salad. So I'm going to put some spinach in here. Spinach, our dark leafy greens are so good for our body. They have so many good nutrients, and they're a lot more dense in nutrients than if we were eating, say, iceberg lettuce, or even something like romaine, which has a higher level of our vitamins and minerals, but spinach is really chock full of them. And again, I'm adding arugula in because I just like that peppery bite. I think our food tastes are very personal, so whatever you like, even if you want to throw some extra crunchy romaine in, eating vegetables is better than not eating them at all. And then we're going to just pour our vinaigrette. I'm probably putting about half of it. I don't think I need all of that for this bowl of salad. I'm going to get a fork and spoon, and I'm just going to kind of toss that really well to coat. I'm just making sure to get it on all these leaves here. This already smells so bright and fresh, and it's just making me think of lunch. So I've got a plate here, and I am just going to put our salad on the plate. You can see all those leaves are just nicely coated with our dressing mixture. Distribute everything evenly here. And to that, we're simply going to add our blueberries. Now, I mentioned before that this recipe is really great for our brain health. It's good for overall anti-inflammatory health and just trying to keep down that inflammation. But blueberries, they're some of the highest antioxidant containing foods that we can eat, and they specifically have anthocyanins in them, which are an antioxidant group which is very deep in those red, blue, and purple pigments. And those are not only shown to be very anti-inflammatory, but they're also shown to really help us with cognitive decline, especially if we are eating them multiple times a week. Really great reason to eat them. Also, they're just delicious. So I'm going to sprinkle a hearty serving in there. I also think blueberries, kind of like apples, are a great grab and go food, especially when they're in season. You can just grab them, eat them with almonds, and you've got a really hearty, healthy snack that's going to keep you full and also give you a bunch of nutrients. Now, we did not use almonds today. I actually used some pecans. You could just sprinkle pecans raw. They're perfectly great to eat raw. You probably get more of the nutrients if they haven't been cooked. I did toast these because I'm eating salad and I want to make it more enjoyable. So I put chopped up pecans in a pan over a medium burner for about 2 minutes and just stirred it around, making sure they didn't burn, and let them cool, and I sprinkled them here in our salad. The last thing I'm going to add is I've got a piece of feta here, and I'm just going to break up some chunks of that into our salad. And this salad is smelling so good. It's making me hungry, and it's not even lunchtime yet. And it just looks gorgeous. So I hope this gives you some inspiration to get some blueberries and some spinach and try out this fun summer salad. If you do, please hit us up on socials and let us know what you think.
As a reminder, we do have all the Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. Just head to WMDT.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.
And share your version of this delicious recipe by using the hashtag UMDYum.
Definitely makes you want a salad. But